Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can add Find My Items widget to the home screen on the iPhone 13 or the iPhone 13 Pro. So first let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. On the home screen, go to a blank spot on the home screen page and touch and hold. Once you are in edit mode, tap on the add button at the top, and then we're going to go down and tap on Find My. Now swipe across until you see it say items. Now you can swipe across one more for a larger size widget. So you can select a small size or a large size widget. And then we're going to drag and drop the widget onto the home screen. Okay, next you want to tap on the widget. And here tap on item and then tap on choose. And those items need to be added to the device, so you need to register those items in order for you to select them. Once you have added, you can select the items from the list, and that's it. So just choose an item and it will show in your widget in here, so you can add up to 3 items in a larger Find My and 1 items in a smaller size widget in Find My Items, and that's it. Finally, you can just swipe up to go back to your main home screen page. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.